In the last few years, my makeup routine really changed. With the pandemic and being at home most of the time, and then having a baby, I really embraced the minimal makeup look and a super easy and quick routine. In this video, I want to show you guys some of my favorite products lately, but also chat a little bit about motherhood and life in general. So after I feed my baby at around 7 a.m., we usually come upstairs together so she can be with me while I get ready, and I keep her in my lap while I'm doing my makeup. So my first step is I start with moisturizer and sunscreen. And I've always known that I have to wear sunscreen every day, but I never stuck to it because I just hated how hard it is to apply natural sunscreen. It always leaves a white cast and it doesn't soak up into the skin. Not this one though. I literally swear by this one. It's incredible. Next is brows. I keep them pretty much natural and only comb them through or use brow gel. It's mostly because I'm too lazy to deal with them. I put some under eye concealer, and instead of foundation, I use this Merit Perfecting Complexion Stick just on any areas of my face where I have redness or acne scars, and it just makes my life so much easier, and I feel like my skin is happier with just a little bit of product on. A while back, Merit sent me their 5-minute morning makeup kit with a few of their products to try and feature in a video, and I just became the biggest fan, and I have been using them non-stop since then. I think they're perfect if you're into that no makeup look. Then I use some bronzer to lightly contour and some blush, again by Merit. I know it may look stupid to have my baby in my lap while I do my makeup because she's making it pretty challenging, but on the days where I have to go to the office, I just try to spend every second that I'm at home with her because I miss her so much during the day. And maybe some people would say, just leave your job and be a stay-at-home mom and you can spend all the time you want with her. To be honest, before I came back to work, part of me really wanted to stay with her full time, at least for a few more months. And I guess it would have been possible if we embraced a more budget-friendly lifestyle. But there is another part of me that really enjoys my career, being with other adults, contributing to a common goal, learning new things, new skills. I've always been very inspired by my mom, who's always had a job and is very successful in her career. And I really want my daughter to be inspired by me in the same way. I want her to want to be successful and independent and to have that professional fulfillment. I have so much respect for stay-at-home moms, but I think for me, I've always imagined myself as a working mother, and I love making my own money, having my own professional circle of people, having like work friends, being an expert in a specific area, things like that. It just makes me happy and it's fulfilling to me. I'm also starting a new job after looking for a new one for literally 4 years, and I'm so excited. I'm just even more motivated to grow as a professional and learn new things. My last step here is lipstick, and I'm currently obsessed with Merit's new line of lipsticks, their signature lip lightweight lipstick. One of the colors that I have and I've been using all the time is called Millennial. It's very pretty pinkish nude, and I just love how it looks with my complexion. I'm going to have more information and links to all the products that I showcased today in the description down below, so if you guys are interested, definitely check them out. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And subscribe to my channel for more similar content. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye! Bye guys!